my beautiful people, welcome to Mercy Beauty of Styles channel. My name is Mercy. In today's video guys, I'm going to work in my dining area. As you can see, I have my beautiful candle holder that I get from Z Gallery. Normally, I'm going to do a DIY with it. Normally, I use Dollar Tree item, but today I want this to be more luxurious extravagance. Okay guys, if you want to see how I change everything, keep on watching. As you can see guys, those flowers, I have some of them I get from Temu, the other one I get from Walmart. So guys, it's so inexpensive to do it. You know, I love to change my things so they don't look the same thing all the time and every time. As you can see guys, the way I unfold the flower is I open it so I can have up and down because I don't have too much pink. I just want to create, I want to put another color in the middle, like the center. As you can see guys, what I'm doing into this video, I'm not going to use hot glue because you know this candle holder guys is very expensive. I don't want to mess it up. This video guys is in collaboration. As you can see, I received a very beautiful Louis Vuitton handbag. Guys, so beautiful. If you're on a budget and you cannot afford to buy the real one, this is a dupe. And guys, there's no difference between the original one. As you can see inside the bag, they have all the bag. You can, if you want to gift it or if you want to give it, keep it for yourself. As you can see guys, very original look. Nobody can tell. Who's gonna know? No one will know. Guys, because it's the same exact thing. There's no difference except on the price, because the price is ridiculous. If you see the original and you see this one, there's no difference guys. So if you're on a budget and you want to have the look, this one is a good option. As you can see, the inside the bag, very nice, very nice. The quality of the material, it's super nice. Like I said guys, there's no difference with the original one and this one, and it's very nice. The only difference guys, like I said, is in the price. The price is ridiculous and the quality, it's unbelievable. Very nice quality. Okay guys, if you want a bag like that, make sure to check the box in the description box down below to buy one like this, because you can always have the look without breaking the bank. Okay guys, I own several designer handbag. I can tell you this one is one of the nice one because I chose it and I love it. You see the handle, the red, all the detail is very nice. Very nice quality material. There's no difference between the original one guys. So, and they send it with the bag if you want to store it, so it will be easy storage. Okay guys, make sure to check the link down below and keep on watching.
Your heart, keep it in your pocket for safekeeping. Don't ever let nobody be the reason you throw it out. You stop caring about it. Don't let your hair get in the way. Can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try and you try really hard, but sometimes you fall. Yeah, sometimes you fall.
When I'm buying something, I really love to play around with them, change them look, change them colors. So you know, I just be creative. So a million people can have it, but mine may look different from my meat look different because I just love to change everything. I don't like to be boring and in the same exact style all the time. This is me. So if you don't like to do something like that, that's fine. But me, that's why I don't use hot glue just to not mess it up. I just use zip tie. Just I can remove it anytime I feel like it without damaging my things. Alright guys, as you can see, I'm cleaning my table, and today I'm using this mirror that I got from Walmart. I did a DIY with it, and the link will be in the description box if you want to see how I did it. And guys, I wanted something super glamorous today. Okay guys, I got another video collaboration in this video, and this company again sent me those beautiful bra. Guys, if you need underwear, very beautiful thing, very expensive looking and good material without paying too much, you can head to this company. Guys, as you can see, the bras, they are so beautiful, so comfortable, and very, very nice. I love lace on my bras, and especially when I'm wearing the set, and you know, it looks so sexy. I don't know about other people, but to me, I love it. So guys, today in this video, I just ordered bras, but I have other ones coming. If you want something that's going to last you for a while, so you can go ahead to the website and choose a couple of them because they really worth the price. As you can see guys, very nice, very nice. I love lace bra. Most of my bras are lace, and this is beautiful, and the material is super good. As you can see, I'm showing you a closer look.
Underground for so long.
And guys, this black one, I love it. It's super comfortable, like I said, and it's a full figure. It's like everything under my arm. It's just like everything stay in place. It's so nice to have. As you can see guys, the material is very good, and then the stretch, everything is super good. And guys, this is one of my favorite also. As you can see guys, I have a black coming. If you have somebody that love to dress with any dress that that doesn't require you to wear a stripe, you can remove it, as you can see, and you're still gonna have all the support that you need. It's super good. This type of bra, every woman should have one like this, because if you are somebody that love to dress and then you need something like that, because there's some clothes that you cannot wear them with bra. That means it's not the time you're gonna have to run to buy one. You should have one bra like this in your drawer. Okay guys, as you can see, the material and the fact that I like, they even send extra stripe for you in case you can always have something, a backup. Okay guys, let's go back to the video and keep on watching. Make sure to check the link in the description box down below. Okay guys, as you can see guys, I'm using my placement that I get from Amazon. They are not the best, but I just like the look. So for what I need it for, it's okay. But if you need something very sturdy, like very hard, this placement is not for you. Alright guys, these chargers, those beautiful chargers, I got them from ETIQUETTE. All the link in the video going to be in the description box down below. If you want to recreate the look, or if anything that you like, make sure to check the box down below. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and keep on watching.
Under pressure, hold it to the fire. Diamond in disguise, meant to shine. One of a kind, a timeless design, catching your eye. Shine unlike any other. discovered, left to crystallize. Give it time, put it under pressure.
If you have made it this far to the video, thank you so much. I will take some time to welcome everyone that new to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Mercy. Please guys, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit on the notification bell. On my next upload, you will be the first person to know. In my channel guys, I do pretty much everything. I do my hair, my nails, home decor, DIY, clean with me, product review. If you are not new and you haven't subscribed yet, please consider to do so today. And to all my beautiful people, to all my current subscribers, thank you so much guys. Without you, I will never be who I am today. I'm truly grateful for every single one of you guys. It will never be possible without you. I love you all and keep on watching.
I used to stay up all night trying to find my place, chasing neon lights and looking for some kind of trace to lead me out of darkness. Give me a little faith, something to make me stronger, someone who could light the way. Then you came to me and you gave me reason. I almost can't believe it.
Okay guys, this is the finished look. Let me know down below what do you think. If you like it, if you do, don't forget to smash me some thumbs up and share the love with your friend and family. For some it might be too much, for some it might be okay. To me it's everything because I love it. I always enjoy all my beautiful creation. What do you think guys? Let me know down below. I would love to hear from you. Even if you don't like it, just let me know. I would love to hear everything. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, so keep watching the video till the end.
I don't know anybody that could compare to you. The way you're always smiling, the way you light up a room. I couldn't live without you, not even if I tried. Cause every day I'm with you, I'm flying over the clouds. Oh yeah, yeah, I'm flying over the clouds. And I'm not coming down. Every time we touch, I feel at home. There's no way I'd ever let you go. When you put your hands in mine, and I'm gonna be alright. I don't know what you do to me, but I feel like I am.
Bonjour, bonsoir mes amours, bienvenue sur ma chaîne. Si vous êtes ici pour la première fois, je vous souhaite la bienvenue. Mon nom est Merci guys. Je vous en prie, n'oubliez pas de vous abonner et de partager. À tous mes abonnés, un grand merci mes amours pour votre support. Je vous aime.
Touches when I really come alive. I couldn't be without you now. I just
Bonjour, bonsoir mes amours, bienvenue sur channel moi. C'est la première fois, moi je te bienvenue. Non, moi c'est merci. S'il vous plaît guys, pas oublier abonner et puis partager la vidéo avec famille aux amis. Et si c'est pas la première fois tout, moi tout merci en pile mes amours pour votre support. Moi aime nous en pile. S'il vous plaît, continuez à regarder les vidéos. Okay guys, that was all for today and thank you so much for taking your time watching the video. I love you all and I'll see you on my next one. Bye!